Yeah, my people, just people, blessed love and I don't know. Daniel Marshall, they here from my own project, yeah. See, when me there, you know, in idea and I sat there midday, you know, is it's doorway, you know, it's door jam. So you see me I try there, you know, just cut this door wall there, cut this wall there. Take off an inch and a half, right? See, so we can get the 2x4 if we lay down on it, so we don't have to cut the door. See, we don't know the things that are in the people. Alright, so we shot up that little tiling work there around on the hillside there, and everything went well. It's just that the tile have to go back forward now and take up one of the tile, the broke tile, see. Alright, so it's a good look. We talked to the owner, the boss man, early this morning. Both talked to the tiler and line up everything, go on there and set it up. But I want to say to people, what a week it has been. This week has been such a week. We had several deaths around here, around the community here, and the wider aspect, you know, like Ready to Grand Spend, doing 70 Conscience Spring Cassava Peas. But here I gonna Virgin, I don't know if they had them know, Virgin Boops drop out, one of the tragicest way. See, not really one of the tragicest way, but me I tell you, see them bike, the Virgin, see the bike, them with the youth, them are run down, king. I don't know the youth, them know the bike, them, so, John, but anyway, we can understand because of good, a swift movability, and to as congested the traffic is nowadays, bike, but man, them get liquor and dead after the bike them fast bridging. So Wednesday night, when I really base, Wednesday night, we just feel to the Grim Reaper pass through Wednesday night because me had a vision, me had a night, a dream, a nightmare. Well, I don't know what me will call it, but you know, you can feel, you can see the evil spirit. Yeah man, when I really base. Night, in our house, and we don't know all them things, you understand me? See, you know when ghosts come around, you know that. See, and believe me, you didn't. But the thing with the Virgin Books now, when I read this, the week before that, after I finished working here, so one of the evening, stand up outside now, you know, and the shopkeeper next door there. You know, I would have reason, see, in that night there, see, and books come on now, and, you know, books from my friend because, you know, man is a heal me up, and female, and Yahweh, and say, yeah man, bless up, Yahweh, so, before we greetings, I will greet one another, but we come to a point where, it's like I lose my friend, it's like my last friend, and that's why individual come up to me that night, because I said, John, passing an idea, seeing or maybe the day before. But the aliens, great greetings, aliens, Yahweh, it never too dead. Seeing, I said, John, but here with the conversation we have now, we're talking about, saying, come here, always used to tell a man, I said, that I'm a friend. Death is my friend. Death must be my friend. We all have an appointment with death. So we cannot make that thing be an enemy. You know, a lot of people feel that way, they don't want, nothing. But the Bible is not ready to tell us it's better to be in a house of mourning than in a house of jollification. See? So anyway, it's like man right in front of the bike, the night car. You know when I have access to bike and cars, but you know usually see my run down them things there. See, if on Constance Smith Road that night, it look like I'm father birthday. We could celebrate the birthday of my father, and so I come home back after and not really after hours because I probably after 8, after 9 them way there, but you done no curfew time, so the road kinda stay away. So under the influence of the alcohol, I actually hurry back home, you see, and the big broad Constance Spring Road in a King. Yeah, man, that hear me, I hear something, but and I believe, see, and the man get lick off of the bike, you know, man. Land him, send him somewhere, send him on that next car will pick him up, you know. See, right hand, I carry my even moon, man, get one lick off on the bike, you know, just fly, look on that next car, and car just run over him. See, this is what me I hear, but conscious man is not a road for ramp with me people. I tell you that in the truth. See, and from where I build the road and the way the road is nice, and man, I say, boy, that, you know, don't know, see, a funeral woman, them things, you know, that, the business we invest in, like a whole heap of debt around the road. Because the road smooth and nice, and just sailing, you know. See, I remember, say, before the road even done now, freak accident we happened right in front of the great shop, the Constance Road, right at the Scotia Bank. Just a little bit above the Scotia, just a little bit above the Scotia Bank, right from Constance Road. And a little bit below, right at Hillman Road then. There, I remember the accident, the Virgin I come home in the morning there. So the same thing from the party, and I try to go home to him wife and them thing, they look like him, that all him sweetheart, I don't know, but other people didn't have the car with him. It's like a SUV, you know, a pickup truck. Mash up. Accident reaching my road car just run off, I sail off of the divider. The chinks I can look like the same thing with a bike, man. The same bike till you know, like my speed I come down in the bridge and I run and I come because the road now I shift up and we I change certain things. But not presidents, the lanes them where you come expect so that's or be open again, you come find us them close up when you blow them can't go, but it's a you cut out and you ride now bike man, I go and dash it from him. Just chinks off of that man. The vehicle just like it goes up. Chinks off right and spin. And when it spin, it's like to me, to the way I see the vehicle, come go look on it up at police station and it's like the vehicle is like and the head of it, the wind of them there, and the top just tear off, just like a hand just was a work and rip it open and shake out the body, shake out the people over there. Splash up all over the place, Virgin. See, so condolence reach out to the family and the people, and see, and John Monster really in at the end times, time of the devil, rule the virgin and sister. And the cure you try to be careful right now. See, the thing where you try to escape happen. So, I'm just at the end times that devil rules, so time to praise God the right, the time to live, and the time for the deceitfulness. See, yes, so they all try shut up the door right because they are them don't know, want to leave and go somewhere else. See, and family members sneak in behind the box with them feel like them have rights and access to the place and come in the place and do what they want to do. So I deal with, so I line on the doors to the doors and you little rats and we can keep all the little rats and things. You get a couple of tiles to finish the bathroom wall and understand, and we get 2 more tiles sent to the face base now. So some give thanks to the love and the strength. We give thanks to the support, we give thanks to the jobs and the work them. See, people really love me out there and care about me and things. You know, we need an organization. We can't get to really organize the people on the right and the work and the right to support the different things because we can't avoid each other blessing. If we love man and blessing, see. Alright, boom shot without further delay. Blessed, thank the item again for the love and the support and for everything, right? Jaja guide and Jaja protect both you and your family and your household and things. Same thing goes out to me and mine, see. And you know, COVID-19 really are going away, same way. See, but with the love of Jaja and the strength, see, and the fittest of the fittest will survive, same way, we just keep it down based away there. See, I'm not try to change nothing. Alright, bless up. So, see this blade now, this blade. This blade now is a blade I'm going to buy to cut the wall with the circular saw. See, but it can't fit on this. That's what I'm going to do is take off this one and put it on the butt. It's a very difficult blade because when it go up on it and it starts spin, you have to hold it really good because it stays up. and I move on, you know, the wind that blade, I have to hold it really good. But to do work because I need the depth, the deep depths on the space side. Go in a wall to cut it. But I don't want no help for chipping with it. See, I just want to cut it smooth. So stand me there and try and knock up an idea. Yeah. So all the best to you and yours. Yo, my people, I never have it easy when me I come up at all. See, and I mean, so we have to live with stories still, you know, and we have to talk with story. If I just say the things, I just say the things, so it was. We never have it easy at all. It was basically never was a time when I and I people don't feel proud of me. You know, we grew visible old man demands all of the honor and all the respect, which is with all due respect him deserve and deserve it still. But sometimes, you know, the father could just give it up. So come to say this, you know, What a man Daniel Marshall is, ladies. Boom shot. If it's even me as an asset, I am an asset. I not try to put myself on a pedestal, nothing like that. But sometimes we have to just talk about yourself and greatness that what Jaja have invested in the I and I. See, me say, if it's even just to have me as a brother, it's an asset to a sister, especially yes in Jamaica, believe me, because I know sister I look around, I see, I try to get them things done, and you know, it's a difficult thing, but if you have a brother like me, genuine stuff, if you have a brother like me, you don't have to worry about certain things. You don't know, so when you do your thing, if you like a shop, you like a bar, your house, your room, kitchen, a bathroom, wherever, even your car, wherever, yeah man, you can always call on a brother like me, because me love my sister them, and me just feel like say boy, me take care of them will take care of me, and from you have sister woman to take care of, a man is supposed to be without a woman, virgin, trust me. So I give thanks to all the ladies them, and I bless up all of the brothers them, seeing, respect, honoring, seeing, but me never have it easy at all, so, you know, but me give thanks, same way, because it have helped me to be who I am, to be self-reliant. That's how things said. So there, you know, I still have a door jam, you know. I slap it on the same way. Alright? After it's said and done, can sit up here so with filler, you know, putty or whatever, you know. Or what we can do, what kind of paste we can use, really. But I have to do that right now. The main important thing to get this story on. You know, we advance in the evening and idea, so I'm sure we'll get it done today, but at least we start work. Then we need some nice little bit door jamming on, so we can slap it on. And if not, quick, we can put on the hang on the door. Alright? Boom shot.
Sky high, up in the sky. My confidence is so high. Can't knock the food off of the Rasta man play. I am not ashamed to aim high. Just said don't be afraid to aim high. Keep your eyes up on high and don't you lose your prize. And then set your goals them up high. You should never be ashamed to aim high. You'd set your goals them up high. Dirty nigga go and talk them up, them big mouth for talk, but not the end is everything to rust high. But minded people them the love to see you try. The more they love to see you lay down and die. And all in their mind that them alone fi try. And all you know forget no blind. So just spread your wings and soar high, like an eagle up in the sky. And tell the dirty low like bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. I am not ashamed to aim high. Just said don't be afraid to aim high. Keep your eyes up on high and don't you lose your prize. And then set your goals them up high. You should never be ashamed to aim high. You'd set your goals them up high. Dirty nigga go and talk them up, them big mouth for talk, but not the end is everything to rust high. A clean liberty, yeah, that we a check for. And we no want a dirty life come bout ya. Cause man have ambition and we a champion. rise up to your potential. The world is cultured in to beat down the poor man. In the conflict for survival. Tell them no conflict with the lion. Cause man I work hard towards Mount Zion. I am not ashamed to aim high. Just said don't be afraid to aim high. Keep your eyes up on high and don't you lose your prize. And then set your goals them up high. You should never be ashamed to aim high. You'd set your goals them up high. Don't the nigga go and talk them up, them big mouth for talk. But not the end is everything to rust high. Put up your hands if you're afraid for aim high. Nobody put them down, raise them up high. No take no intimidation, no put your trust in a man. Trust in a Jah and be Mount Zion. Clean up your heart and clean liberty, yes sir. And then you shoot off like a rocket to Rasta. You could be a doctor or a teacher or a musician just like Yashua. I am not ashamed to aim high. Just said don't be afraid to aim high. Keep your eyes up on high and don't you lose your prize. And then set your goals them up high. You should never be ashamed to aim high. You'd set your goals them up high. Don't the nigga go and talk them up, them big mouth for talk. But not the end is everything to rust high. I am not ashamed to aim high. Just said don't be afraid to aim high. Keep your eyes up on high and don't you lose your prize. And then set your goals them up high. You should never be ashamed to aim high. You'd set your goals them up high. Don't the nigga go and talk them up, them big mouth for talk. But not the end is everything to rust high.
Nightfall kind of reach here and I think, but me still a try, still a trying up the door, yeah, at least. See me? 9 morning now, you don't know, so we have a hang it, put on the lock and drop some paint on it, some primer paint. And then we're gonna have church tomorrow, cause I think church closed at this time, you know, so you can just check about food and just go and batch up some work, see, so I might have one start deal with some of my tile in my bathroom now. See, calling the tiler if I'm available, shut it up, if not, just go on, do what I have to do. Saying, yeah man, so I respect, thank God again for everything, and thanks for supporting the channel and believing in the I vision and I dream, so anytime I'm going to say standard is just 8 inches from the top, and the door over 100 inches, 8 inches from the top, 8 inches from the bottom. We'll put it on the door jambs and then mark the door jambs. And so we can have a good lead.
Well, this will be the Olympic of Olympics. Gear up on yourself and let's get ready to rumble. We have world-class athletes, coaches and trainers, world-class musicians and DJs and singers, world-class models and fashion designers. World stage, world stage, Jamaica dip on the world stage, world stage, world stage, no time at all, we never afraid. World stage, we little island on the world stage, world stage, world stage. The Jamaicans them well brave. The Olympic Games is here again, we get them on the track again. Still know the competition them, ready for the whole lot of them. Skills and talent, and we never afraid. Work will enter meet our goals on the year what me say. Face the challenge I oppose you every day. Hey, Marcus Garvey never turn away. Hey, Bob Marley never turn away. Hey, Edna Manley, Herb McKinley never turn. Herb Elefante never turn away. Hey, world stage, Jamaica dip on the world stage, world stage, world stage. No time at all, we never afraid. World stage, we little island on the world stage, world stage, world stage. The Jamaicans are well brave. A big in the Western Hemisphere. Case you never know, reggae is everywhere. It's tearing down over here and over there. We athletes, I'm a champion throughout the atmosphere. With the speed of lightning, both of who they have in the fair. The woman, them are sunshine, they need them over there. The whole of them look so fine, export them over there. Top of the line, miles up on the world fair. And all the domestic workers in the world fair. And all the farm workers in the world fair. All the natural resources in the world fair. So the inspiration them get from over here. And tell them world stage, world stage, Jamaica they on the world stage. World stage, world stage, no time at all, we never afraid. World stage, world stage, the little island on the world stage. World stage, world stage, the Jamaicans them well brave. Last years we dominant on the world stage. World renowned over for every 10 years. The birthplace of champions, let me tell you what me say. Let them slow stop them out if them not hear what me say. Excellent students excelling from over here. Scientists and inventors they over here. Put the youth some in the army for learn warfare. And in Poland, Mr. Bombastic, they went there. Top of the line, herbs upon the world fair. The Monte Coffee is the best upon the world stage. Sky the Yankee is the best upon the world stage. Now put Future Lions on the world stage. And tell them world stage, world stage, Jamaica they on the world stage. World stage, world stage, no time at all, we never afraid. World stage, we little island on the world stage. Well, this will be the Olympic of Olympics. Gear up on yourself and let's get ready to rumble. We have world-class athletes, coaches and trainers, world-class musicians and DJs and singers, world-class models and fashion designers. World stage, Jamaica they on the world stage, world stage, no time at all, we never afraid. World stage, we little island on the world stage, world stage, the Jamaicans them well brave. The Olympic Games is here again, we get them on the track again. Still know the competition them, ready for the whole lot of them. Skills and talent and we never afraid. Work will learn to meet our goals on the year what me say. Fight for challenge that oppose you every day. Hey, Marcus Garvey never turn away. Hey, Bob Marley never turn away. Hey, Edna Manley, Herb McKinley never turn. Arvilla Fonte never turn away. Hey, world stage, Jamaica dip on the world stage, world stage, world stage, no time at all, we never afraid. World stage, we little island on the world stage, world stage, the Jamaicans are well brave. A big in the Western Hemisphere. Case you never know, reggae is everywhere. It's tearing down over here and over there. We athletes, I'm a champion throughout the atmosphere. With the speed of lightning, both of who they have in the fair. The woman, them are sunshine, they need them over there. The whole of them look so fine, export them over there. Top of the line, miles up on the world fair. And all the domestic workers in the world fair. And all the farm workers in the world fair. All the natural resources in the world fair. So the inspiration them get from.
Yeah, my people, thank the item again. We come to the great ending of another great vlog, another great day on a real base. Alright, you can see the door there. And you need to lift it up just a little ear. Alright, give some little more space between it and the tile. But I desire make it stay just like that until tomorrow morning when we put on the lock. Alright, so yeah man, yeah, so the lock of what going on, yeah, so you can't put it up here, so you see me, we can't put it up here too high. I put it right here, so I find a joint, on a joint. I know, but I can't put it wherever more I put it. Anyway, we will deal with that tomorrow. We'll deal with that, got a lock. Yeah. See it, yeah. On reach, you know? You don't want it up as a, you know, it is at the space like this. Definitely have enough space to bring it up here. See it? Perfect. Just right. Right now, people, blessed love again. Thank the Adam again for supporting the thing. See, make sure if you like the video, then share the video them to my people. Jano, make some other people watch them and thing. You see, just the work we are performing and the development we are develop on the whole project here. The Adam see and done no greatness. Alright, boom shot. Alright, so we end off the vlog here. With a thank you, me people. Jaja blessed love. Boom shot. Catch you tomorrow in the next vlog. Alright? Stay safe. Stay in a peace and love. Alright? And stay alive. Yeah. Boom shot.